Hello. Would you want to build a career as a digital marketer? Would you like to become a professional digital marketer? Digital marketing has become so important in this digital age. Why? Because companies now want to take their businesses online, especially since COVID-19 from the year 2020. So if you want to become a digital marketer, there are so many job opportunities waiting for you out there. There are so many things you can do. If you're a business owner, after learning digital marketing, you can learn how to build your own business, attract paying customers to your business. If you want to get a job as a digital marketer, the opportunities are endless. So many companies are in their need of effective digital marketers who can bring results. So what are you waiting for? Learning digital marketing today can help you build a career of your dream. The thing is this: there are so many theories out there, theoretical trainings, where people, after going through the whole thing, they will not be able to learn it. That's why it's important for you to learn your digital marketing through practical hands-on training. And this is what Bizmaro promises you. Here at Bizmaro, our trainings are practical hands-on training, a project-based training where before you graduate, you'll be able to create a project, effective digital marketing strategy that can help any company attract paying customers. What are you waiting for? Why not register with us today? A trainer will be assigned to you who will monitor you, mentor you, and help you to become the best you can as a digital marketer. The opportunities are endless. Register with us today and become a digital marketing professional.
School that has a one-on-one training.
Training here at Bizmaro has been really nice.
It's really awesome. Very exciting.
Super.
Yeah, it's the best.
Enjoyed every bit of it. The tutors have been very friendly. Get the attention from the tutor because it's one-on-one.
I'm more of practical.
It's really been awesome.
I really enjoyed it because it's not just theory. In class you just sit down and they're giving you lectures. No, this one is practical.
They get to give you your own personal computer and a personal trainer.
It shows how you did. When you are having a difficulty, you come back the next week and you rectify.
Focus on you learning the skill and you being competent.
This is one of the best training I had, seriously, I must confess.
Very, very good at what they're doing.
So it has been an awesome experience, and today I can say I'm on top of my work. Progress made so far, I am happy with it.
Being able to apply what you learn to real life situations.
I'm even planning next time. I want to come and learn another package. Some other people out there need the help of Bizmaro.
Satisfied with the training so far?
Oh yes, I'm definitely satisfied.
The future is here. Take charge, invest in yourself, and make your dreams come true by learning a digital skill that will help you get your dream job or build your business. Let us prepare you for the specific job roles that employers are desperately in need of, both in Nigeria and abroad. Get that skill today. Call to find out more.